Hello and welcome to this new video on how to avoid being muted on TikTok. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. The TikTok is an application that is available in both Play Store and Apple Store in your device, and in Microsoft Store and Apple Store in your PC. So you can just open it by going to the search bar in the PC, and you can just search for the TikTok or type TikTok in the search bar, and you can just open it. Then the TikTok interface will be open, and in order to avoid being muted, then you just have to follow all the community guidelines provided to you by TikTok. So one of the main reason TikTok mute a certain account or a certain person is if they have violated their community guidelines and uses harsh words that were not supposed to be used in certain social public platform. So you just have to avoid that thing and just follow the community guidelines that is provided to you by TikTok. And when you follow it and don't violate it, then you will avoid being muted on TikTok. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.